Connecting into the breath and the breathing, taking a few nice deep low belly inhales and exhales. Starting to arrive in this present moment. Bringing yourself into a space to set the intention to energize the body, the mind, the emotions, and the energy field through this meditation. Beginning by envisioning two beautiful, big, bright orbs of golden, sunny color at the center arch of each foot, almost kind of like big, beautiful tennis balls, one sitting at the center arch of each foot. And just really starting to feel that nice vibration of high energy, brightness, lightness, rejuvenation, and vitality as these golden orbs gently pulsate at the center arches of the feet. Maybe already starting to feel a little heat coming into the body as your energy begins to increase its flow, activating, revitalizing, and rejuvenating, bringing you into a space of higher energy access to move through your day. And then slowly envisioning that these beautiful golden orbs start to move up into the legs. So bringing their vitality up into the calves and into the knees. Feeling a little heat or tingling at the lower extremities. Coming up into the thighs and into the hips, activating and energizing the legs, already beginning to feel new vitality moving through the body. Letting this golden orb of energy come together at the root chakra. So these two golden orbs merge here at the root, at the base of the spine, activating the root chakra, activating your connection to your physical health, your body, your vitality. Maybe feeling a little tingling or heat at the base of the spine as you bring that golden orb up into the sacral chakra, connecting to your creativity, allowing this beautiful creative energy to move through you, to inspire you, inciting new ideas, new energy, feeling that excitement as the low belly and the lower back begin to heat up with vitality and rejuvenation. Bringing that golden orb up into the solar plexus, your power center. Really revitalizing the solar plexus here, filling the entire abdomen, filling up with this golden light, which is the color of the solar plexus. Affirming that your power center is full. You are filling your power center up to overflowing. So you have all the energy and more that you need to move through your day, to feel inspired and motivated and confident in the steps that you take forward. Bringing that golden orb up into the heart center, filling the entire chest, the rib cage, the lungs, the heart, up with this beautiful golden color of vitality. All of this wonderful yellow sunshine beaming out from your heart. Taking a moment to love on yourself in this place. Affirming that you deeply and completely love and accept yourself. Any energy that may be going outward into the world, we're just going to momentarily return that flow to the self. So all your energy of love is coming into you at this time, filling the heart up, letting it move down the arms, out through the palms of the hands, maybe some tingles here at the palms of the hands as you get warmer and more vital, more connected into your energy. Bringing that golden orb up into the throat, rejuvenating the throat chakra, your capacity to communicate with others and communicate lovingly with yourself. Engaging in self-talk that brings a smile to your face, automatically lifting your vibration. Bringing that golden orb up into the face, the cheeks, the teeth, the nose, the ears, the eyes, all the way up into the third eye, filling the face up with all of this vitality. The third eye activates, seeing your path clearly, trusting in your intuition to know what is right for you, releasing any overactivity of thought or planningfulness, moving into sacred trust in the divine, that you are on the right path and that all this vital energy is here for you to direct forward based on your intuition. Bringing that golden orb now up into the crown chakra so it starts to flow up and funnel out through the crown, kind of like a fountain. So starting to fill the entirety of your energy field up with this golden light as it fountains out from the crown all into your energy space, 5, 6, 7 feet or more out in all directions. As this energy activates the crown, remembering oneness, remembering your connection to all things, allowing yourself to be in that space of deep knowingness that you have access to all the vitality that you need right here, right now. Steeping yourself in this beautiful golden light for as long as you would like, until perfect vitality and energy fully returns to your system.